it can be really tough to know whose advice to take. And there's a few people going around on Instagram saying that your aesthetics of your feed do not matter. Is this advice that you can take? Hi, I'm Karen from Get Nice Marketing, and I am slightly horrified at the advice that I've seen floating around that the aesthetics of your Instagram profile do not matter. Now, without a doubt, the most important thing on your Instagram feed is content. Content is king, and it's the most valuable thing. So you've got to make sure that you're giving them content that will entertain them, inspire them, educate them, do the things that they're looking for. But to outright say that aesthetics don't matter, I think that's a dangerous game. So I asked somebody in particular why they didn't feel that aesthetics were important on Instagram. And their response to me was, well, look at Gary Vee. Gary Vee has 9 million followers and his profile is, well, let's call it a bit of a hot mess, really, if you looked at it. So let's have a look at Gary Vee's profile and see what's going on here. So yes, 9.1 million followers as I'm looking at this, and having a look through, he's got a lot. In fact, I think most of his feed is video, which is cool. Lots of different fonts, lots of different colors. I'm guessing these have been possibly taken from other places and reposted. Or maybe that's the look he's going for. Maybe the look he's going for is that he's been in lots of different places. So Gary Vee, what is he selling? The product that Gary Vee is selling is, on this profile, Gary Vee. It's not VaynerMedia because he's got links to VaynerMedia. It's not VaynerSport because he's got links to VaynerSport. So the product that Gary Vee is selling is Gary Vee. Now, Gary Vee isn't a handmade seller selling candles. He's not, if you were selling candles, your strategy would be very different to what Gary Vee's strategy is, which is lots of videos of him talking. He's selling himself as a thought leader. He's possibly, I'd say with this profile, looking for those opportunities, those speaking opportunities. Not that he really needs it because they're probably coming at him left, right and centre. But the purpose of the profile is positioning himself as a thought leader and somebody who's giving value back to his customers with all of his marketing ideas. So the purpose of this profile is really to sell himself, and it's doing a great job of that. So that's why the strategy works for him. However, like I was saying, if you were selling candles, this ain't a great strategy, just videos of yourself talking and your thoughts. So as you can see, one size does not fit all with your Instagram strategy. And so for that reason, saying straight out that aesthetics don't matter because Gary Vee doesn't have aesthetics on his profile is not a good argument. So let's take a look at a profile of a company that sells products. And they're doing a really great job of their Instagram profile. It's a company called Recess, and they actually sell drinks, and their Instagram profile is Take a Recess. So let's have a look at that. An antidote to modern times. Drinks and powders to help feel calm, cool and collected. Straight away when I look at the profile, the colours, the top half, it's kind of got a dreamy vibe to it, like a very kind of like clouds, and the colours are kind of sunsetty, and it's quite, it does give me a sense of calm, but it's also a bit modern. I feel like it's got this modern feel to it, like it's quite edgy. Scrolling down, okay, it's not what you'd expect straight away when you think, okay, so what's a drink, so what sort of pictures are they going to post? You just think, okay, we're selling drinks, so maybe we just pictures of drinks. But they haven't done that. What they've done is they're trying to build a community around who their target market is, and I noticed that this is really cool because it's quite cheeky and it's really kind of witty. There's some really cool posts on here. The bunny post. Our chief calm officer told us that cute can be calm, so here's a recess bunny. It's just silly stuff, and it's silly, it's quirky, it's got this kind of cheeky vibe to it. They've definitely got a style for their photography, they've got a style for their graphics, they've got a set colours, they've got set fonts, and the great thing about having a really strong brand like that, so if someone's following you and they see it in your feed, they'll be like, oh, that's that one that I followed before, I remember this. When somebody follows you, it takes about, in between, they say about 3 seconds, but less than 7 seconds for them to look at your profile and click that follow button. So it's that quick. And if they see your profile and then later on, say even a month later, they might see your first post. And then if it triggers something in their brain, oh yes, I remember them. But if they think, I don't remember this, why am I following that person? That's when you get the unfollows. So it's really important to have a brand that is recognizable for that reason. And then every time they see a post by them, they're like, oh, it's their colors, so oh, it's going to be another post from so and so. So I hope this video has been useful for you in some way. So the ultimate takeaway from this is that your content strategy and your brand strategy should come together, and they should complement who your target market is. And it's really useful to have a recognizable brand so people can, when they see those posts, they know it's from you, they know that it's your content, and they'll keep following you for that reason. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram handle is Get Nice Marketing. I post very regularly and I post lots of content like this on Instagram as well. And if you're a product-based business looking to start selling more through your Instagram account, get our free guide. I'll put the link down below. It's our free guide to what you should know about selling on Instagram. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe because I'll be doing more on Instagram soon.